Jerry Nard.
Alright, what's going on, my people? Welcome to the SN95 Power channel. I am going to try to do some welding today. I've had this thing in the garage for almost a year now and kind of just been putting this off. The problem that I have is I have S197 seats in this car, and I didn't use the motor for the seat. I went with a slider setup. Well, me doing this slider setup, I kind of like backyarded, and the driver side contraption that I'm using to attach the seat to the slider is coming apart. So I need to fix that because I'm going to be driving down the street and make a hard left-hand turn, and my seat is going to go sideways. So I'm going to try to put this welder together. This is Amazon TIG welder. I don't know how many watts it is, but this isn't really a thick steel that I'm going to try to weld to, so hopefully it'll penetrate enough. I am a horrible content creator because I have my gimbal in Kim's car. My GoPro is dead. So I'm going to be trying to do this all by hand, which I don't know how that's going to work because I need to weld. But we're going to make it happen. So first things first, let's get all this stuff unpackaged and figure out how to assemble this thing. I guess the first step is to get this wire fed into this machine and into this feeder mechanism right here. Now, like I said, I'm not a welder. I've never even touched a TIG welder. I've played around with a stick welder and made some booger welds, but yeah, let's get this together and give this a try. All right, so let's try to figure this out, y'all. Excuse the background noise, but I have a family, a loud family. So let's try this. This has got to be my feed. Looks like it only goes in one way. All right, that looks tight. Let's open this. So, that goes like that. Wasn't expecting that. Ooh, vacuum sealed. How about that? That you're gonna go in like that. All right, I guess that goes like that. Now we're gonna plug this up, turn this on, and see if it will feed. All right, we're plugged in. Nothing in the front to turn on. So, turn it there. And the feeder's not feeding. Feeder is not working. I don't know why. Flux. Oh, we got. There we go. Had to hit the settings. Let's turn this way. I can feel it coming through. And there we go. So it looks like the problem I was having, there was like a menu right here that I did not select. So I have this set up almost. I need to get my round clamp. Right here. So now this is ready to operate. Like, I don't know how far out that this needs to protrude, but it doesn't, I don't think this will need to be that far. So I would cut this like right there. All right, so that's prepared. Now let's grab the seat. All right, so this is the back side of my seat. And this is a slider. And the idea originally was to get some height on here. So I used basically it's like a bolt and some spacers. Here's a bolt right here. And that's my little booger weld. So first thing I want to try to do is get this back through here. And this is so now I'm just trying to just get a good continuity spot. Part of the problem is, y'all, I don't have adequate lighting. Like, really, I'm just kind of making a mess here. I'm missing my target. But it's fun. I have to say, this is enjoyable. So I really need come in from this top and get that top right there. So I need to go higher up like that. All right, that'll work. Got a little stability down there. Now we got to work on getting some stability up here. All right, my lighting should be a little bit better because this is high up, less shadows. So I'm gonna try not to booger this up. So up in here first. Like I need a better welding mask. Like this is what I'm working with. So it's real hard for me to see, if I'm being honest. And I do have fire extinguishers. I have 2 of them close by. Hey y'all, I missed my mark totally on that one. All right. That's better. And I'm actually starting to feel a little bit more comfortable. Even though it's just like a big gob of stuff right here. Like, to say there's a learning curve to this is an understatement. Being able to see, I don't know if all welding hoods, helmets are like this, but I really can't see hardly anything. That's why I have the light so close. Down here, it's like really my first time, so, I mean, they all look ugly, but I definitely felt a little bit more comfortable up this way. All right, so getting this back in the car is barely a problem, hardly an inconvenience. I'm gonna show you how. So you have 2 studs here, here, and then you have 2 bolts here, here. Now would be a good time to vacuum your car out. All right, here we go. Seats in. I'm not moving around. I feel secure. It's a good feeling. So honestly, if I had to do this again, would probably try to find some manual seats from a S197, and because the problem is I don't have any height adjustment. That's why I kind of try to shim it up underneath. But I love these seats. I think these are leap years ahead of the stock SN95 seats, even the Cobras or the Mach 1s. You know, the bolster support and the functional headrest. That's like the big thing right there, is that functional headrest. Love it. So hey, y'all critique my, I don't even want to call that welding. Y'all critique me putting some material on another material and trying to fuse two metal items together. I definitely want to get more practice with this. But hey, I appreciate y'all rocking with me on this video. Do me a solid, share this video, tell a couple of people about the channel, and until next time, God bless.